Cnmoulding, 30 years of injection molding expertise in Shanghai, delivering professional medical rehabilitation devices. The global medical rehabilitation field, high-quality care devices are crucial for patient recovery. As a Shanghai-based manufacturer with 30 years of professional injection molding experience, Cnmoulding is committed to providing safe, precise, and durable plastic rehabilitation correction solutions for clients worldwide. Shanghai Precision Manufacturing. Global quality standards leveraging Shanghai's mature manufacturing ecosystem and the Yangtze River Delta's robust supply chain. Cnmoulding combines 3 decades of injection molding expertise with international medical standards. 30 years of precision injection molding, mastering core technologies in high-precision mold development and medical-grade injection molding. Smart manufacturing base equipped with advanced automated injection molding equipment for stable mass production. Global certifications. Compliance with ISO 13485 FDA and other international medical device certifications in professional medical grade plastic solutions. We select special plastic materials that meet medical standards, offering products with excellent biocompatibility, safer skin contact, eliminating allergic reactions. Lightweight yet high-strength design, 50% lighter than traditional metal materials, with 30% greater strength, wear-resistant and anti-aging, laboratory tested for over 5 years and service leader. Perfect integration of rehabilitation, medicine and precision manufacturing. Cnmoulding's unique advantages include medical engineering, R&D, team co-developed with rehabilitation specialists and top-tier hospitals. Every product undergoes clinical validation testing to end-to-end customization service, supports full process customization from concept to mass production. Samples can be delivered in as fast as 15 days. Military-grade quality control. 36 rigorous inspection procedures. Defect rate controlled below 0.1%. Trusted choice of global rehabilitation institutions. Our professional rehabilitation devices are widely used in spinal correction, brace systems, joint rehabilitation, immobilizers, sports protection equipment, elderly assistive living devices. Products are exported to over 20 countries and regions, serving more than 100 medical institutions and rehabilitation centers worldwide. Why global clients choose Cnmoulding? 30 years of Shanghai-based